If you just take him and put him on his tummy, it pushes this, and then it goes out of his nose, which is bad. But by putting the Zaky in there, murderous cheekers, and then turning and put a rotary top on it. It's okay. Then, you can get him in a position where he's comfortable. You're just trying to pull his shoulders back. So I'm going to want to push his shoulders in on either side. And I can take the other Zaky, displacing some of the things so that he doesn't have the full weight on him. But it's just enough to keep his shoulders in. Then his hands are close to his face. On the bottom, I'm going to pull his knees up on either side. And I'm going to squish the beads in the Zaky a little bit so that his hips can come closer together. I'm going to use a third Zaky and give his feet something to push against. You can see that this baby is still able to breathe. The Zaky's moving up and down because there are no beads in this section here. All the weight is on either side, not on the baby.